Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to take a little step away from LeetCode and teach you about some OpenCV camera displays. Today I'm not going to be talking about displaying your camera and doing stuff with your camera. I'm going to teach you how to display a photo. It's not that hard, but I'm just going to teach you how to install OpenCV and then just teach you how to start off and display an image. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is install OpenCV onto your computer. So what you're going to do is press Windows and R to type this and type in CMD, and this will open your command prompt, which you want to do to install it. Now what you're going to do is type pip install OpenCV -python, and if that doesn't work, you might want to do pip3 install Python, install OpenCV-Python, and if none of those works, type Python or Python 3 -m pip install OpenCV-Python. But I already have it installed, so I'm not going to do it again. And then it will load, and then that's all you have to do. So now that we have it installed, what we want to do is just import OpenCV into our Python project. So the way you do that is import CV2. And once we have that, CV2 is imported, and yeah, that's the only package you need. Now that we have CV2 imported, what we're going to do is put an image into a new folder, or you don't have to put it into a folder, I just like to. So I'm going to name that folder image, then just put my file in. For this tutorial, I'm just going to be using my banner, but let's go back into the Python file. So now what we want to do is create a variable for the image. So we're just going to do image, or img equals cv2.imread, and then your destination of your image. So mine is image slash image.png. Yep. And then we're just going to do comma 1. Now, and then once we have that, this just goes into this file and reads this image. Now we're going to want it to actually show into our display. So the way we do that is cv2.imshow, and the first thing you want to do is really it's just the title. So you're gonna put 2 quotes and put up any title you want. I'm just gonna do that, and then you're gonna put the name of whatever you did this. So mine, I put img. Just gonna do that. So now it will run, but it won't be able to quit. So what we want to do to make it quit is do cv2.wait key, and then I'm just gonna put that as 0, and then just cv2.destroy all windows. Then once we have that and run it, Python and your file name, you'll see it will show up here, and title is FabCode as this. If you change that, yeah, it doesn't matter whatever this is, you can put that as whatever. And yeah, this is only part 1 of the many OpenCV tutorials I'm going to be using. If you want to see me do another language in Python, or other than Python, I will do that. This is only the first of many tutorials on OpenCV that I will do. I'm just going to start off with the basics, which is next video is going to be camera displaying. If you want to learn how to do that, come back next week for the next video. I hope you enjoyed. See you next week.